Hello student, today we are going to discuss about NCERT example problem, class 11 physics. It's 11th chapter, first problem we are going to discuss. Okay, actually they asked you to prove as a lengthwise expansion, thermal expansion has to be a 2 times. That's the thing proof you have to give. Lengthwise means 1 time, area wise means 2 times, volume wise means 3 times. We have to prove area wise as a 2 times. That's it. Okay, this is the equation we are going to prove. Okay, it is 11th chapter, first problem, class 11 physics, NCERT problem. Okay, this is the equation we are going to prove. I am taken one sheet. Okay, just I am given the heat energy, all the sides will get expanded. Okay, just I am taken this as a one corner, one side only getting expanded, like that I am taken. Okay, if expanded means 3 areas we should assume, area 1, area 2, area 3, 3 areas I should assume. Okay, so here length is A, breadth is B. Okay, lengthwise also expansion will be there, breadthwise also expansion will be there. Okay, so now it is called del B, this is called del A. Okay, now area 1, area 2, area 3, 3 times of area. Okay, now what is area 1? This area. Here length is A, breadth is del B. Okay, what is area 2? This area, del A, del B. Okay, length and breadth. Okay, now area 3, breadth is B. Okay, length is del A. Okay, just this area, 3 areas I just substituted. Okay, I'll get like this. Okay, not like this I'll get. Okay, area 1, area 2, area 3. Okay, now what is del B I have to calculate. Okay, this is the linear expansion, del L by L is equal to alpha del T. With this we know already. Okay, in case breadth is getting expanded means this equation, del B is this much. Okay, in case length is getting expanded means this much. Okay, del B is this much, del A is this much. This two equation I am substituting as a previous equation. Okay, equation number 1. Okay, this is called equation number 1. Okay, so del B I know, del B, del A I know, del A also I know, everything I know, just I am substituting. Okay, I substituted everything, del B, del A, del B, del B I substituted. Okay, now just all the terms I am making simplification. Okay, AB del alpha del T. Okay, AB alpha square del T square. Okay, and AB alpha del T. Okay, like this will get. Okay, alpha square if you are getting means alpha will be small value, alpha square value will be very small. Imagine alpha is this much means alpha square will become very small, so negligible. That center term will become negligible. Okay, term 1 and term 3 alone will be there. Okay, AB is called length into breadth, we can take it as a area. It's going to be 2 times of this formula. Okay, so I want what is alpha. Okay, del A I can bring as a denominator, del A by A, del T also I am bringing denominator, del T. Okay, it is called change in temperature, it is called change in area, this is called original area. Okay, is equal to 2 times of alpha. This is the equation we should prove. Okay, thank you. If you like my channel, please subscribe. If you want more video, you can go and see in my playlist. Thank you.